I bought a bunch of billboards.
Dude, we got the double billboard. We don't mess around.
Went on TV.
Grab your phone, go on YouTube, search PewDiePie, and subscribe to him.
Did radio ads.
No one kills memes as quickly and efficiently as this Swedish man.
Bought bathroom ads.
There's our ad. Right above the urinal.
And much more to try and stop T-Series from passing PewDiePie in subscribers. T-Series is growing 4 times faster than PewDiePie, and if I don't do anything, PewDiePie won't be the #1 most subscribed to YouTuber in the world.
Bring it on.
Therefore, I spent all my money on ads so he can remain the #1 most subscribed to channel in the world.
There it is.
All right, billboard #1. Hey! Calling all bros, you can save YouTube. Subscribe to PewDiePie, unsubscribe from T-Series. Truer words have never been spoken. That's just the start of our campaign.
Mom, how's the bleach?